Hey guys, it's the SPY guy here. I know I haven't made a video in a couple of months now. I thought I would just give you guys a quick update on what's been happening with FlexiSPY. The first thing is that FlexiSPY now supports Android 14. Android 14 is the latest version of Android, so if you want to monitor the phone that is a newer Android phone, then you'll need to be able to monitor Android 14. There's been some other things, like they added support for RCS message capturing on Samsung and Google Messages. So that's a new text format when you send SMS to and from Android devices. And so FlexiSPY can now capture that. But one of the coolest things I think that they've released recently, which I really like, is the new FlexiView app. So you know, when you install FlexiSPY on the phone and then you log in, you're logging in through the customer portal and you're using your web browser for that. You can also use your phone browser, but it's not optimized for a mobile device. So they had this app called Portal Viewer, and you could view some of the data from the account on that app. It's like an app that you would install on your Android or iPhone, but the app was never really that good. It was buggy and crashed. But so they've released a brand new version that adds a bunch more mobile events that you couldn't have before, and then computer events that you couldn't have before. And then the best thing is that you have notifications now. So you get an instant notification direct to your phone anytime there's any new events. If there's a new call recording, a new ambient recording, if your name appears in a text message. But you can also create custom alerts now from the app. Maybe I'll do a whole video just on that. But yeah, FlexiView is like having the power of the portal on your computer right on your mobile phone. Maybe I'll do another video about that. I'll just show you guys quickly. This is the FlexiView app. You have all your events, like here's text messages. They added like ambient recordings, and before, like, you couldn't play the recordings. Now you can play directly from the app. This is good. So you have a timeline view. You can just view all the new events that come in one single timeline. Then you can create the custom alerts. Anyways, I'll make a video on this, but yeah, to recap, I think the most recent things that they've done is Android 14 support. So now supports all Androids, the RCS message capturing, and then the FlexiView, which was just really cool. I'll think of some other video ideas to make for you guys. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while, but I just wanted to give you this brief update. As always, if you liked the video, then give it a like. You can subscribe, of course, and then you can use the links in the description to support the channel. And if you have any ideas for another video that I should make, anything you want me to test, then let me know. I'm also thinking of maybe doing a how to install FlexiSPY in 2024 video, and then just going through all of the different screens in the portal and then showing it on the FlexiView. The top things to know, because the installation is kind of difficult if you don't use the install service. Oh, okay, wait. Just remembered. The other good news is that the installation service is now free. It's been free for a couple of months now if you buy Premium or Extreme. You don't have to install it yourself anymore, and you don't have to pay $59 for the installation service. So that's a really good deal. If you just buy Premium or Extreme, it doesn't matter if you buy Premium quarterly or annual, or for Extreme you can buy the monthly, the quarterly, or the annual. Then you'll get the install service for free. I'm gonna go now, and I will see you guys in the next video. SPY guy out. Peace.